Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this Pomoron True HEPA air purifier. This is the MJ005H model. Here is the user manual. It tells you how to use it, but overall it's pretty straightforward. You just plug it in, take the wrapper off the filter, and you've got simple controls up here. As you can see, this is very elegant looking. Nice white black finish, can really fit in with any type of surrounding environment. I'm gonna go ahead and simply plug this in. We can see how it works. So make sure you take the wrapper off the filter. Here is the filter. Taking a look here at the back, you simply can pop this off like so. You simply place that in like that, and pop that on. Taking a look at the panel up here, you have controls to basically reset the filter, let it know that you put a new filter in there. You can also see the life of your filter that's remaining. You've got timer settings, so you can have this on just for a certain amount of time. You've got speed options, you've got quiet mode for if you're sleeping, you got low and you got high, you got automatic, and this thing can sense the air quality. So basically if this sees the air quality is bad, then it'll go ahead and turn this on even higher. You can turn off the display, which is very important if you're sleeping, you don't want any lights kind of shining, and then the on off button right there. And you get the air quality reading right here. Basically it'll suck in the air through the back here, and then it'll spit the air back out right up here. And you get an indicator, it tells you what mode. It's on low mode right now. Let's go ahead and press the auto button. Now it will automatically decide how fast the fan spins based on the surrounding air quality. The cool thing is this blue light right here basically indicates the air quality. So blue means very good, and it'll turn green if the air quality is only good, yellow if it's moderate, and then red if it's bad. So overall, this is super nice, elegant, and it has everything you need to make sure that your air is clean. Highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.